Hi guys, this is your boy Crypto Samurai, and today we talk about Putin. Uh, a few hours ago, Putin just gave his National Assembly speech, which he gives once a year. That's the equivalent of the State of the Union address of the President of the United States. This is going to be very short. You need to listen to this speech. It's around 2 hours long. I will put the link in the video. Very important. What Putin started with is technology. Basically, he said he needs to improve the quality of lives of his people, and that is done only through technology. And he said that's priority number one, because not doing so will make Russia fall behind. Russia is pretty good on blockchain, and they are investing heavily in that. That's the reason why I wanted you guys to go and listen to this speech. And I'm seeing also a spike in the market after this speech. See you soon, Crypto Samurai.